Did you know that your shingles are only part of your whole roofing system? Your roof is made up of different components that work together to protect your most important possessions. Hey everyone, I'm Sherry Holmes, contractor, TV host, and mom. Growing up with professional contractor Mike Holmes as my dad, I was essentially born with a tool belt around my waist. And believe me, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly of building products. As I've built my own career in the industry, few products stand out to me like the Atlas Signature Select Roofing System. That's because the Atlas Roofing System combines high-quality products that work together to protect your roof against everything from algae stains and extreme temperatures to high winds and hail impact. Even better, the Atlas Signature Select Roofing System, from underlayment to shingles to ventilation, is backed by industry-leading warranty coverage. Unlike too many other roofing manufacturers that overpromise and underdeliver, Atlas packs value and assurance into an enhanced premium protection period, which includes coverage for non-prorated labor and materials, tear-off and disposal fees, the full roofing system, and transferability. Check out how the Atlas Signature Select Roofing System stands up to the competition.